here with Elliott. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Who are you? Where are you from?
Yeah, so I'm from California. I just finished undergrad at USC, and so I've got a summer off here before I started work. And one of the things I wanted to do with my summer was come down here and work on my surfing. I've been surfing for about 2 years, and so yeah, I wanted to come down and see what the surf in Nicaragua is all about.
You just finished one of all inclusive surf packages. Can you tell us a little bit about the experience?
Yeah, it's been really great. A lot of diversity in the surfing we've been doing. I've had a few days of practicing techniques and stuff in the smaller surf here in the bay, and then we've had a really big swell roll in, which has been great because we've been able to go out to some other spots and practice some surfing in larger surf and using those techniques we've been learning in the bay in different spots, learning about those breaks too.
How has your surfing skill improved since you have been here?
Yeah, well, one of the things I really wanted to work on when I came down here was just increasing my comfort level in bigger surf. It's something that's been really hard to do in California because when the swell gets really good, the crowds are all out and it can be really hard to even get a wave and practice those skills in bigger waves. But down here with the empty lineups, it's been really easy to get out there and work on stepping up to some of those bigger waves. And it's been something of a breakthrough for me where I'm much more comfortable in bigger surf than I ever was before I was down here, and I hope that I can bring that back to the US and keep surfing in those bigger waves.
Some of the highlights that you will never forget?
Yeah, yesterday we went out to Lance's Left, and it's a pretty famous big point break out here. Well, it can get big on a big swell, and I was able to get one really good wave that, at first when I got out there, I was pretty scared. I thought it was going to be outside of my ability, but I got more comfortable in the water, and after, 40 minutes or so of watching the lineup and watching the sets roll in and understanding how that break moves, I was able to drop in and get one, and also super fun because we got to access it by boat. So it was a really, really cool day.
Do you have any tips or recommendations for travelers that are coming to Nicaragua, and how was your experience getting down here?
Well, getting down here was super easy for me. I had Liquid Sessions in Mag Rock set up my transportation. I flew through Liberia, which I think is a great idea because flights in and out of Costa Rica aren't getting canceled, and so I just flew into Liberia, and then my ground transportation was all set up by Liquid Sessions in Mag Rock. So basically I just had one taxi to the border, walked across the border to Nicaragua, and then a second taxi was waiting for me. It was super, super easy. Totally recommend anyone who's coming down here to do that. It was easy and didn't have to stress about it at all.
Well, thank you so much for coming down here, and we are looking forward to see you again soon.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks.